Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing. And let's go ahead and get to the point. So the draw for today's midday February 12th, 2020 was 873. And as usual, I'm gonna go over where that combination fell and as far as our strategies or grids that we made. So on my 317 grid, I have 873 right here. On my first tic-tac-toe, I've got 873 right there. And then of course, I did a 1, 2, 3 just because, and 873, it fell right there. Now for today's strategy for the evening draw for February 12th, 2020, we're gonna be using a different strategy. It's one that I just learned last night, and actually I predicted the 873 with it. And as you can see right here, don't mind all the other numbers, but right here, numbers for 2/12/20, 783 right there. So we're gonna go ahead and do this new strategy, and let's go ahead and get right to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a +1, +2, +3, -1, -1, -1, and a +2, +3, +5. We're gonna take underneath those and put our latest winning combination, which was 873, and then we're just going to do the math. So 8 + 1 is 9, 7 + 2 is 9, 3 + 3 is 6, 8 - 1 is 7, 7 - 1 is 6, 3 - 1 is 2. 8 + 2 is 10, so we'll drop the 1, that'll make it a 0. 7 + 3 is 10, we'll drop the 1, make it a 0. And 5 + 3 is 8. So, let me make sure that I'm doing this correctly. And after we got our totals there, we're gonna go ahead and add them to our tic-tac-toe grid. Okay, so we've got 9, 9, 6, 7, 6, 2, and 0, 0, 8. Now, however you want to, whatever your heart desires, you can choose to do your combinations to pick out of here. I personally like to do ones that are like this, like I'll show you 066. Actually, I'll just go ahead and say these are the numbers that I recommend playing for tonight, tonight's drawing, February 12th, 2020, Eve. Okay, so I see a 066. Oh, that 996. I've been waiting for that one to drop. It is due. 762, I like that. Sounds good to me. 008, of course. And let's do this 280. Let's do 082. That would be a repeat. 280 just dropped. Let's do a 082. 062. 067. 960. We have not had a 9 fall on the first position for the longest time. So that's why today I played 994, because that number is way overdue, and plus we haven't had a 9 fall in the first and second position for quite some time. So let's do a 960, 970. How about that 968? How does that sound? So I'm just working across. As long as they're touching, those are the numbers that I'm playing. So did I do a 979? Nope, but I'm going to 979. And let's do one more. How about, I like this 866. Now this is just what I do, since I've got my combinations right here. How many is this? 3, 6, 12 combinations. What I do personally is I go onto the Kansas Lottery website. I go to check my numbers. What I've been doing is backdating. I used to backdate all the way to the beginning, but now I found it more efficient to just backdate to the 1st of January 2015, and I just check. So I'll put in 066 and I'll put my start date as the 1st of January 2015, and I'll scroll through all of the numbers, and I'll just document. I'll write down 066, and I'll put down every single time that exact combination fell. And then I will, after doing that with all of my numbers, I will choose based upon how long it's been since that combination fell on whether or not I'm going to play it for that draw. So I hope that this information helps some people out there that are curious about learning how to play the pick 3, or just maybe you don't want to choose your own numbers, so you're more than welcome to use these combinations, or maybe you just wanted to learn how to do different strategies. So I really want to thank you again for tuning in, and please do subscribe if you haven't already, and have a wonderful day, and also, as usual, happy number picking.